This is the downhill battle. Semi-final 4. Today we will find out the name of the last finalist of this series. Here we go. Up first we have Steve Wood, driving in Mazda Repute DTX00. Brandon Stair, driving in customized 70 Pontiac Firebird, or Flying Bird. Bob Gideon, driving in 63 Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. He provided us with a rich cultural program, full of tension and fun. Freddie King, driving in 68 Mercury Cougar. His famous spin and win maneuver is unforgettable. The top driver in the points in 4 races will advance onto the final round. Race 1. Bob Gideon and Steve Wood on the front row. Here we go. Bob Gideon takes the win. But where are the others? Steve Wood blocked them. Maybe he liked a certain tree in the forest and wanted to take it. We can see that already at the exit of the first turn Steve Wood had problems. And Freddie King gently helped him slide from behind. Race 2. Brandon Stair and Bob Gideon on the front row. Here we go. Freddie King takes the win, followed by Bob Gideon in reverse. Steve Wood and Brandon Stair. Bob Gideon in leads with 8 points. Freddie King on the second with 5. Check the Bob's and Freddie King's ride. Gideon was fighting for second place in the turn 2. Race 3. Freddie King on the pole position. Brandon Stair on the front left. Here we go. Oh, too much slipping here today. Anyway, Freddie King takes the win in the race 2. In the scoreboard has 10 points. Same like Bob Gideon. On the third place is Brandon Stair with 4 and fourth Steve Wood with 2. It's the second DNF for Steve today. The battle for first place between Freddie and Brandon. Bob Gideon blocked Steve Wood and eliminated him. Revenge from race 1 when Steve blocked others? Beautiful pirouette from Freddie, like last time. In the battle with Gregory Atlas. And please look at Bob Gideon. He tried to park secretly again. Or is he giving up? Come on Bob, you have a chance to make it to the finals. And this is it. The battle for advancing to the finals between Bob Gideon and Freddie King. Both have 10 points. In the advantage is Freddie King starting from the front row on the left. Here we go. Steve Wood takes the win in the race 4. But that was superb battle for finals. Ladies and gentlemen, Freddie King is the winner of 4th semi-final. Only 1 point before second Bob Gideon. Champion ride a la Freddie King. Finalists of the downhill battle: Ben Clark, Donny Hatter, Com Truise, and Freddie King. I'm Matthew O'Brien, and see you soon in the finals.